Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title and also the intro, I'm going to be doing a cute brown smoky eye for you guys today. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I tend to be a little bit more consistent on there than YouTube. At least I'm trying to be. But anyways, let's get started. So for today's eyeshadow look, I'm basically just going to be using two different palettes. So I'm going to be using my Morphe 35V palette and also my Profusion Cosmetics palette. I forget exactly. I think it's like the festival palette. But anyway, so I'm just going to be starting off and using the Morphe palette. I'm basically just going to blend in like this medium brownish shade. And then I'm also going to go in with that lighter brown as well. And I'm basically just going to put that on top of the shade to kind of help fuse everything out. Then to quick cut my crease, I'm just going to be using the Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas. And I mean, granted, I guess I didn't technically need to cut my crease because it's supposed to be a smoky eye, but I really wanted that darker brown shade that I'm going to plop on after this to really show. So yeah, I mean, it's rare that I do an eyeshadow look and I don't cut my crease no matter what I do. So yeah. Then I'm just going to be going to that Per Cosmetics Festival palette. I'm basically just going to be using that dark brown. I believe it's called All Night. And I'm just going to pack that all over my lid. Then I'm just going to be basically rubbing all of that, well not rubbing, but blending all of that all together so everything seems nice and seamless. Then I'm just going to be going in with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner and I'm basically just going to be applying some eyeliner. And then I'm just going to be using the Monistat Chafing Gel. And before anybody says anything, do your research. This is a really good dupe for the Smashbox primer. Definitely check out some videos because I'm not crazy. This as a primer is bomb. I just wanted to make sure I inserted that in there. Continue. That was way more ghetto than I remember it sounding when I first shot this video. But okay, so then I'm just going to be going in with my Milani foundation like I tend to do. I need to get new makeup, I know. But I'm basically just going to dot that all over my face and then blend everything in. Then for my concealer today, I'm just going to be using the Makeup Revolution Concealer Confined Concealer. I don't know why I can't say makeup today. Like, that's weird. I don't know. See, this is why I love voiceovers, but I don't like voiceovers because I feel like I always get tongue-tied, but then at the same time, I'm not a perfectionist to the point where I'm going to sit up here and try to do it 20 times. Like, I'm literally a one-and-done type of person when I do these, so that's probably why I be sounding low-key crazy, but it's fine. So next, I'm basically just going to be using my fan to fan down my concealer underneath my eyes a bit more, just because I do like to have it be just a little bit dried down so there is more coverage because of my dark circles. So that definitely tends to help. And then to set all the places I put my concealer, I'm just going to be using the Sacha Buttercup powder. And this is the light one just because the regular color banana one is a tad bit too dark for my skin tone right now. So there's that, but I absolutely love this. You get no flashback using this whatsoever, and that's definitely a plus for me. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm just going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and the shade Medium Deep. And then to contour, I'm going to be using the Maybelline City Bronzer to basically warm up my face. Next, I'm just going to be using the BH Cosmetics Blushy and Bali Blush and Highlighter Palette. And for blush, I'm going to use Pomegranate. And then for highlight, I'm going to use, I believe it's Amber or Amber. that you guys see what I was pointing to, but I'm basically going to be using those two things to basically finish off my face. Next, I'm going to be going back into my eyes, and I'm going to be using the NYX retractable eyeliner. I'm going to use the black shade, and then I'm also going to go back into that Morphe palette again. And basically all the colors that I use from the Morphe palette on my top lid, I'm going to use that on my bottom lid as well. And then moving on to my lips, I'm just going to be using the NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Sand Beige. Honestly, guys, this is probably like my #1 go-to lip liner if I want more of like a natural type look. And of course, I am overlining my lips because I do like the look of a bigger, plumper upper lip. And then, of course, to finish off the lips, I'm just going to be using the NYX Cosmetics Butter Gloss, and this is actually in the shade Madeline. And then I'm just going to be using the Milani Make It Dewy Finishing Spray to basically set all of my makeup. And of course, I'm just going to bring out my fan again, dry that down, make sure everything is nice and good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. And I will definitely see you guys in my next one.